second Mustang I've ever trained. Her name is Rain. She's about 4 years old and an amazing sweetheart. She is as sweet as she can be and very, very smart and lovable. We are competing with the Teens in Oregon Mustangs 2020 program where we get a Mustang completely fresh out of the wild and train them for 100 days, and we can either keep them or sell them. We picked her up in St. Paul. They trailered all the horses out there and handed us our horse's number and said, here you go, loaded them in the trailer, and off we went. She has been extremely fun to train, lovable, sweetheart. She's very willing, she's got a great mind and loves to learn new tricks. They've got such a great mind and are more willing to work, in my opinion, because they just want to know and they want to please as much as they can. apprenticeship and a trail course. And then we're going to have a live auction where we can sell the horses. And this is my first time ever doing a riding project. It's going to be interesting. I'm excited to see where she goes, and I hope somebody gets a really great horse, but it's going to be sad seeing her go. She's been amazing to train and really willing to learn anything that we throw at her. Just wants to do whatever she can to please.